Hi, this is Ian Zepp again. This is video number 3 in a series of videos about tracking how to create a Salesforce application from scratch, from concept through development, through testing, all the way to the AppExchange. So this particular video is going to be a bit more heavy on the technical side. So if you are not comfortable with that, you may just want to skip over this particular video. So let's get to it. We had previously created our custom objects. We created one object called product template and one object called product template item. Now, one of the things that I actually did, and this is a good demonstration of how things change during the development process, is that I decided this would probably be better named as a product set instead of a product template. Part of that was because a product set is a set of products that we add to an opportunity, but the other part of that is because I added a button, and this is a good demonstration of sometimes the reasons behind why we call things the things that they end up being. I needed to add a button to the opportunity, and add product template just it doesn't have a great sound. So I think add product set is a better naming convention for it, and you know it doesn't really affect the way that we call our objects, what we call them. So I just went ahead and I changed the name. Now, one of the things to be aware of is that when you change a name, in this case it's easy because we're very early in the development process. We haven't actually written any Apex code. As you get farther along in development and you start writing custom code focused around these custom objects you have, it gets much more difficult to change the name. So this is really only something that we were able to do because it was so early in the development process. Speaking of Apex code, this step involves, this video I should say, involves one page and one class that we've created. So we have a Visualforce page here that we've called opportunity add product set, and it is related to that button that we created on the opportunity called add product set. So one of the things that you can do with a custom button is you can send it directly to a Visualforce page, which is what we've done. So we've created this button, we've added it to the opportunity page layout, and when you click the button, it loads the Visualforce page called opportunity add product set. So this page does is going to do a number of things. What you're looking at right here is the basic XML that's needed in order to render a page layout. Now, in coordination with that, we've created an extension class that I call opportunity add product set as well. Now that's the way that I like to name my classes and my pages. I like to have them named the same thing because it makes deployments easier. It makes keeping track of what is related to what easier. And I think just after building probably dozens of applications by now in Salesforce, I've developed a set of best practices that I use, and this just happens to be one of them. So one of the things that you'll notice is that our standard controller here is an opportunity, and we're using the add product set as an extension. You'll also notice that I've pulled in a number of outside JavaScript libraries. Now in this case, these are jQuery, base jQuery core and jQuery UI libraries that we've pulled in from Google. Now, these are actually hosted on Google, and one of the nice things about this is it allows you to pull it in an HTTPS environment from an area where it's going to be highly available and you don't have to upload it as a static resource. Going a little bit farther down, we've added a section header called add product set opportunity name, and what this basically does is it puts a nice little header up at the top of our page. So let's actually show that. So if we go to our opportunities here and we click on this button that we've added to our page layout called add product set, it takes us to our initial page layout.